Tensions have risen to boiling point between the Lebanese resistance group Hezbollah and Israel, as clashes and attacks escalate along Lebanon's southern borders and the occupied north, which has been going on for months. Hezbollah said on Wednesday, May 6, that it had targeted Israel's vaunted Iron Dome air defense system with a missile. Iron Dome is stationed in the farming community of Ramat Naftali, near the border with Lebanon. As a result, the equipment could not protect itself, and the threat was quickly eliminated by Hezbollah. Something that continues to happen. Israeli forces stated that they were not aware of any damage to the Iron Dome batteries. Meanwhile, Israeli warplanes launched internationally banned white phosphorus bombs against residential buildings in southern Lebanon in recent days. White phosphorus is a toxic substance that burns at temperatures of more than 800 degrees Celsius and cannot be extinguished with water. This can cause severe burns and breathing problems. Zionists used these bombs in at least 5 cities and settlements in southern Lebanon, such as Beit Yahoun, Kafr Kila, Maiz al-Jabal, Bustain, Markaba, and Aida al-Shab. Human Rights Watch condemned that Israel used white phosphorus on residential buildings, and stressed that in this situation, affected civilians should leave their homes. Since the start of fighting between Hezbollah and Israel since October 2023, the non-governmental organization has been able to verify Israeli use of white phosphorus bombs against at least 17 Lebanese cities. According to data from the Lebanese Ministry of Health, at least 173 people have been injured since October due to exposure to white phosphorus. Hezbollah, widely seen as the most well-armed and militarily powerful resistance group. Hezbollah has said in previous days that they do not want the Gaza conflict to spill over onto the Lebanese-Israeli front. They have signaled openness to a peace deal, but have said there will be no discussions until Israel stops its massacre on Gaza, something Israel has struggled to achieve. As a result, Hezbollah's rockets and drones were frequent targets for launches, and sparked huge fires this week, burning large swaths of occupied land and settlements in the north. The ongoing and uncontrolled fires have triggered a state of emergency. Deputy Secretary General of Hezbollah, Sheikh Naim Qassem, described on Monday that his group is not for expanding the war, but any expansion of Israel's war in Lebanon will result in destruction and displacement in Israel, he said. If Israel wants all-out war, we are ready, he added.